Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to model this, how to use this revolve feature in Creo Parametric. So I have taken a sketch of this one. This sketch is revolving about this axis. Now we'll learn how to model this one in Creo Parametric. Just open the software, new, part solid, untick this use default template, just save OK. Our units are in mm, part solid absolute, save OK. Now we are in the software. For easy modeling, I'm just going to keep this figure in the left side. Software on the right side. Now I'm just simply taking the front plane, sketch view. To revolve the feature, any section, we just want to take a datum center line. This one is the datum center line. This one is the sketching or geometric center line. We just want to take a datum center line. Based on that only it will revolve. So this one only I'm putting. Then create the sketch of this crack section. Take the line. I'm just starting this line and putting like this. This total length of the line is 220. Now we'll start drawing the sketch. Take a line. This one. Then this one length is 20. Take a arc. Center and ends. This radius of the arc is 10. Then put a line. This one is 40. Again one more arc. Center and ends. Then one small line. Then one more arc. Now specify the dimension. The radius of the arc is 60. And this line it is 90. This height is 80. Now we just want to put a arc. Take a same arc. Now just close this arc by using a constraints. This one is 12.5. This vertical constraint I'm deleting it. Now we can make it. Constant constraint. That is horizontal only. Control Z. Just delete it. Now take the arc again with a 3-point arc. First point, second point, somewhere here. It is made to equal to something. So just specify the radius of 12.5. Here we just make it into a tangent connection. Now you see the sketch is completed. Now we can go for revolve feature. Just say OK. Now here you can see in the sketch itself it will show the axis as well as the sketch. This one is the axis. Just hide, you will get it all. This one is axis and this one is a sketch. Now both the thing we can see. Now just go to the revolve. Here you can see there is a section and axis. Just click it here. Click this sketch. It is automatically taken for revolve of 360 degree. If you want to make it 270, you can make it 180, or this we can move this also. This way also we can do. So I'm just specifying a 360, 270. Just save it. Like that way we can do the revolve feature. For example, go to the edit sketch view. Now you have axis of datum center line here. Just delete this one. Put a datum center line somewhere here with the distance of the dimension, the distance of 50. Now just say OK. Now see the revolve. The object, the sketch will revolve about the datum center line only. For example, go to the edit sketch. You missed to provide good sketch view. You are using a 2 center lines. This horizontal also you are putting. This one is a one datum center line and this one is also one datum center line. Just say OK. Now it is taken based on the vertical axis. Just delete it. Now just go to the revolve. Select the sketch. It is taken based on the vertical axis. Just save out. Go to the edit sketch view. I'm deleting this one. I'm deleting both the axes. I'm just taking this one somewhere here. I'm putting this sketch center line with the distance of 60. Just say OK. Now also you can get this one. If you have a 2 axis datum center line as well as sketch center line, then now we can see that one. Just go to the sketch. Now this one is the sketch center line. Now I'm just putting a datum center line here. Just say OK. See, it will take the priority of a datum center line. If you have a 2 center lines, one is sketch center line and datum center line, it will take based on the datum center line. Okay. So by deleting this datum center line, it will revolve based on this. Okay. This way revolve feature works in the Creo Parametric. I hope you have learned how to do this revolve feature. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.